husband Phil Griffin. Together we're Professor Chef. And we teach you how to make food that's out of the galaxy. Okay, you have to shut that off now. You have to shut it off. Because what's going to happen now, see, he did not clear that with me. So what's going to happen is Facebook is going to take this video down and YouTube is going to take this video down because we do not own we have not paid the copyrights for that music.
Sure.
He's not that smart.
So we can restart again.
No.
So, may the 4th be with you.
I had zero input on this thing that we're gonna do. So what are we making?
We're making Jabba the Hutt Hummus.
Okay. And what else are we making?
We're making chocolate covered lightsabers.
Okay.
And I got a new one for you.
What?
You
Oh.
never guess what that is.
Oh.
Corn under glass.
You got it, baby.
For those of you who do not know, a porg is some sort of weirdo animal that appears in one of the Star Wars movies.
Yes.
And I live with these folks.
All right.
All right, so go ahead.
You ready? I'm ready. Now all the fun stuff's out of the way. We
Yep.
can go ahead and make the hummus.
Actually, it's not. I have a trick up my sleeve.
Okay. So we're gonna put some garlic in there.
What are we putting in there?
Garlic.
Garlic. Okay. And what are you putting it in?
I'm a food processor. So you're gonna put. I like garlic. You guys.
This is the garlic peeler. I don't know if you just watched him. He just put it. It's a silicone tube. You can get these from Pampered Chef, and you roll it, and it takes off the.
Too close, good.
Yeah, too close should be good enough. But you see, it's like magic. And he hates getting garlic, right?
So to that, we are going to add some toasted sesame seeds.
So we're doing some quarantine cooking here, and we're trying not to go out and go to the grocery store. We're trying to live out of our pantry. We did not have tahini, so we're putting sesame seeds in it.
Which is a tahini. I can make my own tahini doing this.
Right.
But I'm combining it all in one step.
Okay.
And you do not have to have tahini in a hummus. You could use peanut butter. You could use sunny butter. You could use yogurt,
Yep.
roasted peppers. It's just an additional flavor.
Yep.
So now we're putting in chickpeas or garbanzo beans.
Yeah. And these are from a can. It's always preferable to use dry beans, soak them, and then use them. But once again, quarantine cooking, we're putting out of the pantry.
So we're gonna add a little bit of spices to this.
Which one is this?
This is chili powder.
Okay, just a little bit of heat, all right?
A
Not
little bit.
too much.
It's up to you. You can put whatever you want in there.
Okay.
Chili powder.
Why are you measuring in your hand?
Because of my superpower. The force is with me.
Oh yeah, the force is with you.
Because I measure my hand because if I have too much, it's in my hand, it's not in here.
Yeah.
And I also know how much I'm putting in.
Right. So if you're doing this and you put too much, how do you take it out? You know, you have to lose some garbanzo beans or chickpeas or whatever.
Cumin, coriander.
Cumin and coriander usually used together. They're best friends. Believe it or
It's
not.
probably make an appearance tomorrow too.
What's tomorrow? What are we doing tomorrow?
Cinco de Mayo.
Oh, okay.
A little bit of lemon
I forgot
juice.
what I was saying. So.
Here's my hands. See. Cumin, coriander, love each other.
Oh yeah, they're best friends. And coriander is actually the seed of cilantro. Now we're using this lemon juice. Can I have that please for a second? We do not like the reconstituted kind. This we can find in the produce aisle, and it's not refrigerated. It's from Italy, and it's not from concentrate. So this is good stuff in an emergency. We prefer fresh lemon, but we're cooking out of the pantry. This is the most important ingredient.
Honey.
Where do you get your honey?
You steal it from me.
You steal it from me. Where do
You
I
steal
get
it
my
from- You
honey?
steal it from the girls.
I steal it from my girls, yeah. If you need honey, hit us up. $10 a pound if you mention this crazy video.
And I love using this food processor. The small things are not.
I don't know if I can hear you.
I love using this food processor. There we go.
There you go. I don't know if you can hear the difference. don't know if you could hear the difference in that, but there was a definite sound change. We do love this Cuisinart food processor. We do have a larger one that we don't use as often. We use this one almost all the time.
Yeah. Let's taste it. You salt, pepper? That's right.
Yeah.
Like actually just salt.
Okay.
Lemon just right, honey just right.
Well, the honey better be alright.
I mean, proportion.
Alright, give it another whiz.
And while you're doing that, can you talk about chocolate?
Oh. So, once again, quarantine cooking. We're going to be using white chocolate chips because we don't have anything else in the house. These are the only ones we have. Truth be told, you should never use chips to do chocolate work because they have an emulsifier in it which helps it keep this kiss type shape. So that's one bad thing that I'm going to do. The second bad thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go microwave this chocolate in 30-second blasts. You should never do that because this chocolate could seize. So fingers crossed that we're going to do it, and I'll let you finish with your one. So how are you going to serve this, Phil?
Serve it on a plate.
Why not in a bowl?
Because this is Jabba the Hutt.
But I don't know who that is.
That's your problem.
Oh.
It's gonna look
What
like
about
him.
the people at home watching? Oh my God, you are not doing that. Oh my God. Johnson and Wales is gonna take back all 3 degrees that you have. All 3 of them.
So you're supposed to make it look sort of like Jabba the Hutt?
It kind of does.
Kind of does. And with the magic of black olives?
Those are Colorado pitted olives.
I don't care what they are.
Oh my God. Oh my God. It kind of just looks like the picture I posted too.
Yeah.
There we go! Jabba the Hutt Hummus!
That's really sad. That is really, really, really sad. I should have started microwaving this.
The sooner.
Yeah, well, I forgot about it. So, gonna keep going here. Oh, you know what? Talk to them about garlic.
So my wife has problems.
I have a lot of problems.
One of them is she's married to me.
Yep.
So the number of problems she has is garlic. So when we buy garlic, we make sure that it has a root at the end of it. The reason why we make sure it has a root at the end of it is because we guarantee where it's not coming from. And when we guarantee that if it has a root at the end of it, it's not coming from China. And the reason why we know it's not coming from China is because the U.S. government has made the Chinese garlic farmer cut the root out and make sure that root with all that dirt stays in China. So all the arsenic, lead, and human feces that the garlic is grown in is to stay in China, but we get to have that garlic here in this country. If you're one of these people, you don't have to admit it and don't tell anybody, but if you use pre-sliced garlic or pre-peeled garlic,
The minced garlic in the jar.
yeah, it could be coming from New Jersey, California. That doesn't mean where the garlic came from. That means it's bottled or packaged it. They're probably using garlic that doesn't have a root.
It's probably Chinese.
You almost ready, my love?
No.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying, but I only can do 30-second blasts or that it will seize.
You'll seize, and the seizing is because the chocolate cooks and it gets too hot.
No, it's gonna take longer.
So the idea is you melt your chocolate, dip your
This is not gonna work. Don't
dip
worry
your
about
pretzel
it.
stick in there
And then,
and put some stuff on it, and you have like a lightsaber.
and then I have these little pretty patriotic pearls that I was gonna put on it because I know you're celebrating 2 holidays this week.
3 holidays.
Right?
Mother's Day on Sunday.
Oh, 4 then. Do you know what today is?
May the 4th be with us.
And what else? Can't think, huh? No. It's Rhode Island Independence Day. Today.
That's right.
Today
The Great Gatsby.
Today is the day that Rhode Island declared
Their
their independence from England. We were the first state to do that.
And we were the last state to sign
it by Stephen Hopkins. But anyway.
Because we were holding up the Bill of Rights.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yep.
Okay, that's interesting.
They wanted we wanted the freedom to speak.
Ah, okay. Well, anyway, we will see you tomorrow. We are making quesadillas. Chorizo quesadillas. So we're celebrating both the Mexicans and the Portuguese, right? Anyway, see you tomorrow. Love it. Bye.